Hey guys, it's Renata. So I'm decided to share something with you that I wasn't originally going to share, but I felt like this could be really powerful for so many people that might be going through something similar. And I wanted to show you that there is a way forward, and I wanted to really bring you in on this whole journey so that you can see everything that I go through. A few weeks ago, I was diagnosed with a particular illness, and as a result, I had to take some medication that really messed with my stomach. And I had horrible feelings such as gassiness, bloating, like diarrhea. It was really awful, and I knew that my gut health had really suffered significantly because of this medication. So once I finished that course of medication and got better, I decided that I wanted to go on what I'm calling my intuitive gut healing journey. And the reason why I call it a gut healing journey is obviously because I saw that my gut had really not been great while taking that medication. So I wanted to do things that really helped my gut to heal. And I call it intuitive because I'm using my intuition to guide my nutrition. I'm using my intuition to tell me what foods do I feel like eating that are going to support my overall gut health. And I know some of these things based upon previous work that I've done to help my overall well-being, but I'm really putting this into practice for the next 30 days. So I'm gonna really be listening to my intuition, listening to my hunger and fullness cues, listening to when I need more water, listening to how I can further improve my gut health. And I wanted to share that with you because I think gut health is so incredibly important to so many things, including our immune systems, our brain health. All of the functions of our body can be influenced by our gut health. So I wanted to take you on this journey. If you want to know more or have any particular questions, let me know here in the comments, because I really want to make sure that I give you all of the tips and tricks, share with you all of the things that I'm experiencing as I go through this 30-day intuitive gut healing journey. So let me know below, what do you want to learn more about during the next 30 days, and I'll see you in the next video.